Kill me. You'll need the Americans for leverage.
I don't fucking make bargains.
Do you make pizza?
What?
Stop. Something I haven't told you yet.
Oh yeah? What's that?
Well, I told you about the brains. Told you about the guts. I told you about the muscle. The scientist, the politician, the leader. I told you about every member of the team except myself. The part I play.
Oh yeah? What's that?
I'm the wild card. I'm the guy who looks at the reality in front of him and refuses to accept it. Like right now. I should be terrified, right? But I'm not. Because I can't stop thinking about the movie True Lies. You know, where Arnie's strapped to a chair and shot full of truth serum. Then he picks his cuffs and kills everybody. You have 30 seconds to live, Arab.
You're lying. You're still bound.
I can't lie. And I didn't say I was gonna be the one to kill you. Remember when I told you my boss was a